Hello, we meet again today for टाइप 2 लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन। कल हमने सीखा लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन के बारे में और लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन के टाइप 2 के भी कुछ सम्स है, वो आज मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूँ। इनफैक्ट टुडे मॉर्निंग आई हैड अ कॉल फ्रॉम मुंबई, तो टू स्टूडेंट्स वेर आस्किंग अ डाउट रिगार्डिंग टाइप 2 इटसेल्फ, तो आज मैं क्लियर कर रहा हूँ। They had asked about this sum, okay, which is in the textbook. Y is equal to e raised to tan x plus log x raised to tan x. Their doubt was, why can't we take logs over here? Log y is equal to log of the right hand side, like we did yesterday. तो कोई डाउट आंसर करना है तो एक सिंपल सी बात है, if you have something like this, for example, okay, so if you take logs on both sides, you get this. लेकिन बाद में क्या, you are not allowed to write this as log a plus log b, okay? So यहाँ पे log लेने के बाद log of e raised to tan x plus log x raised to tan x सेपरेट आउट कर नहीं सकते, ओके? व्हेन प्लस और माइनस साइन इज देयर, यू कैन नॉट राइट दिस एज, ऐसी गलत बात है। ये लिख नहीं सकते, इट इजंट इन द रूल ऑफ लॉग्स, ओके? सो we can write till here log of the RHS, but if you take log of the RHS ऐसा ही लिखा तो डेरिवेटिव लेने के लिए बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होगा। log of all this right hand side, उसका डेरिवेटिव यानी डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log is 1 upon this right hand side into d by dx of RHS, it becomes complicated, okay? So ये डिफरेंशिएशन लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन में ही आता है, लेकिन हाउ डू यू रिकॉग्नाइज दिस टाइप 2? You have got x raised to x, like e raised to tan x, log x raised to tan x, and a log differentiation. But as I am repeating, very first step में log ले नहीं सकते, तो इसको क्या करना है? Call the first function as u, second function as v, and then solve the answer. Solve both terms separately to get the final answer. Okay? So it is easy to recognize this type. Raised to x and raised to x के there are 2 or 3 terms. Okay? यहाँ पे रेस टू tan x है, यहाँ पे रेस टू tan x है, it can be raised to x also, okay? So let us solve this now. I'll show you the method. Okay, observe. So as I told you, call the first term as u, second term as v. Substitute here. Y is equal to u plus v. Okay, we get y is equal to u plus v. After getting this equation, let us differentiate with respect to x. So what do you get? This is our main equation. इसको डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x किया, dy by dx इक्वल टू du by dx प्लस dv by dx. व्हाट डज दिस मीन? इसका सिंपल मीनिंग है, इट मीन्स you have to find du by dx, you have to find dv by dx and substitute in this equation to get the final answer, right? Now I am going to find out du by dx. So how do you find du by dx? By which equation? consider the equation of u. Right, u is equal to e raised to tan x. Okay. Now e raised to tan x, if you have, there is no need to take logs on both sides, because there is a direct formula for e raised to x. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So derivative of e raised to tan x will be e raised to tan x into d by dx of tan x, chain rule. We'll use that. Even if you take logs, you will get the same answer. Log of u is equal to log of e raised to tan x. Rules of logs use करो, same answer मिलेगा. लेकिन for e raised to tan x directly will get. So differentiate with respect to x, what do you get? Du by dx. Derivative of e raised to tan x is e raised to tan x. Because derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x into d by dx of tan x. Okay, into d by dx of tan x. So du by dx d by dx of tan x is sec squared x. First answer we got. ये मिल गया. Now you have to find out dv by dx. So these are nothing but two simple problems in one. अलग अलग डेरिवेटिव लेने हैं. du by dx मिल गया. अभी dv by dx देखो. dv by dx के लिए consider the equation of v. For log x raised to tan x, there is no direct formula. X raised to x का type है. So you have to take logs. I'm repeating, for e raised to tan x, we could use the formula for e raised to x. But over here, we will have to take logs on both sides. So taking logs on both sides क्या होता है? Log of v is equal to log of RHS. Okay. Now use rules of logs. Tan x comes in front. कल हमने देखे थे rules of logs. जो इंडेक्स है वो सामने लाना है. Tan x into log of log x. Okay. So once you get a multiplication sign here, then we will use product rule to get the answer. Okay. So again differentiate with respect to x. So d by dx of log v d by dx of tan x into log of log x. Differentiate with respect to x and दोनों तरफ d by dx derivative. What is the derivative of log y? 1 upon y dy by dx. कल के सब में देखा था. So what is the derivative of log v? 1 upon v dv by dx. इसका कैसा डेरिवेटिव लेना है? You have seen earlier. Multiplication sign है. Product rule of two functions. What is the product rule of two functions for derivatives? First function derivative of second plus second function derivative of first. So let us write that. First function derivative in a d by dx. देखो फर्स्ट फंक्शन d by dx of second plus second function into derivative of first d by dx of tan x. Right? You already know about this product tool के बारे में सबको मालूम है. अभी product tool यूज करने के बाद d by dx of log x ये ऐसे ही रखेंगे. log x का डेरिवेटिव कैसा लेना है? Derivative of outer log x का derivative. What is the derivative of log x? 1 upon x. So what is the derivative of log x? Derivative of log is 1 upon जो कुछ सामने है. Derivative of log सामने क्या है? log x. So 1 upon log x into d by dx of log x. Into d by dx of log x I am writing directly now. चेन रूल यूज कर रहा हूँ. राइट? वापस देखो, कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ आउटर लॉग 1 अपॉन log x into d by dx of log x. d by dx of log x 1 upon x. चेन रूल, कॉम्पोजिट फंक्शंस. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ tan x sec squared x. Right? So अभी क्या करना है? Like we did yesterday, we transfer the value of v on RHS. So v यहाँ पे लेता हूँ मैं, यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट लेके. So we get dv by dx v ट्रांसफर करो tan x upon x log x sec squared x you can write in 4. पहले लिख सकते हैं. Don't forget, substitute value of v. What is the value of v now? v कहाँ पे लिखा है? log x raised to, सिर्फ यहाँ पे वैल्यू डालनी है v की. We get dv by dx. So dv by dx final value of v log x raised to tan x. Tan x upon x log x dv by dx मिल गया. dv by dx मिल गया. du by dx मिल गया. dv by dx मिल गया. The problem is over. The only thing is we have to solve these two separately. This also comes under log differentiation, but in this we don't take logs at the very first step. That was the doubt asked by 2 students today. I hope it's clear to you. It's good that many people are coming forward and asking their doubts. Okay? Be free and whatever you have you can ask me. Right? So ध्यान में रखो, this is the type 2 logarithmic differentiation. I hope it is clear to you. Rules of logs है आपके पास, सब है. हाँ, और एक चीज, after finding this du by dx and dv by dx, don't forget to substitute both values in this. सिर्फ यहाँ पे आंसर लिखना है. du by dx का आंसर क्या है? ये है. dv by dx का आंसर क्या है? This is the answer. Just put the answer. So the answer looks very big. Okay, logarithmic differentiation sums. The answer looks quite big. Okay, but it is not difficult to solve. It looks big because दो separate sums जैसे है ना, you have to solve it separately and substitute. कुछ difficult नहीं है, right? So that was the concept clearing for today. We'll stop it here. Just wanted to clear those doubts. Okay. So try to solve this sum again today after the video is over. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.